Hi guys, welcome to this course. This course is basically uh, made on Python language. ठीक है? Python language. In this course, we will cover 1000 plus problem and plus 4 or 5 project. And the best thing is of this course is that we will complete this course. ठीक है? We don't stop this course in the mid and in the at the position at the starting. We will complete this course at till the course will be complete. So first of all, we will discuss about what is Python language and why we study about Python language. There are the many language of present, but why we read Python language? So first of all, we describe that what is Python. So first of all, we discuss about what is Python. What is Python? So then we discuss application of Python and chart of Python from how which trending of Python. ठीक है? So first of all, we discuss about Python. So then Python is a high-level general purpose programming language that is interpreted made by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. ठीक है? Python is a high level language. Basically, there are the two level of language. First one is low level and another one is high level. So then basically there is no difference between this. We will discuss further in other video what is the difference between high level and low level. First of all, we discuss about Python is a high level language, or it is interpreted. It is interpreted and made by Guido van Rossum in 1991. In next, we will discuss about application of the Python. For application of Python, there are the basically various application of Python. Python is also used for web development. Python can be used to create high-speed web application. Game development is also used to create interactive cat development. ठीक है? Game development, machine learning और artificial intelligence यानी AI जिसको हम कहते हैं. ठीक है? AI, uh, data science and data visualization, desktop GUI, web scraper application, business application, CAD application. They are the various application of Python is present, and these are the some basic application. There are the more application are also present, but in this course we will focus on programming language. We will make focus on programming than compare of theory, because in every field the importance of the programming is more than compare of the theory. ठीक है? So in the next and this is the third topics of module 1, introduction to Python. How to set up and how to set up environment for Python. ठीक है? This is the theory I will provide in the description, from which you can get all how to install run Python on our computer, local computer PC, how to run a Python program coding. I basically go to Google and search for Python. Python. Search for Python. ठीक है? पाइथन को मैं यहाँ पे सर्च करता हूँ. पाइथन पाइथन की ओरिजिनल साइट पे 1 मिनट. Python. Click on this site. Welcome to Python.org. Now go to download section. Yeah, this one, download Python 3.8.4. This is the latest version of the Python. Download from here, and I already downloaded it, so I don't download it here for and install, and then ID successfully then it is no problem. There is no problem on Python. Okay. Now for written code and execution of the code, I use PyCharm. I use PyCharm. You can use any other software which you like, but like PyCharm, so I download it. You see a link that is download PyCharm. Click on this, and after clicking on this, you will redirect to PyCharm site. From there, download. There is an option of download. From that, you can download a PyCharm integrated software. Okay. Yes, this is already I have so install and create a new project and on coding on this. I hope that you will understand what is introduction to Python, and if you want to contact me, you can contact me through my Telegram channel @Padhako Balak. So, okay.